Ever wondered how to mix different concentrations of solutions to get a specific target concentration? Today, we're diving into a classic problem involving saltwater solutions. We start with our given equation, 0.10x plus 0.20y equals 0.19 times the quantity x plus y. This equation represents the core relationship. The total amount of salt from the first solution plus the total amount of salt from the second solution must equal the total amount of salt in the final mixture. Our first step is to expand the right side of the equation. Next, we gather all the x terms on one side and all the y terms on the other. This simplifies beautifully to 0.01 y equals 0.09x. To make it even clearer, we can divide both sides by 0.01. This simple relationship, y equals 9x, is our golden rule. It tells us that for every gallon of the 10% solution, we need 9 gallons of the 20% solution to achieve our 19% target. Now, let's apply this to our specific problem. We are given that x, the volume of the 10% solution, is 50 gallons. Using our golden rule, we substitute 50 for x. This gives us y equals 450 gallons. So, to mix 50 gallons of 10% saltwater solution with a 20% solution to get a 19% solution, you would need 450 gallons of the 20% solution